friends, this is Mike from Mike's Computer Tips. How's everybody doing today? Today I want to talk a bit more about computer repair and the things you can do as a novice or a beginning or intermediate computer user to take care of your computer, and it won't cost you any money. It'll just take a little bit of time, not much. And you could basically take care of your computer yourself without paying a technician or a computer shop high fees. Stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. Mike with Mike's Computer Tips here again. And today I want to talk to you about maintaining your computer, whether it's a laptop or a desktop. It's very simple to maintain your computer, to keep it running fast and running well and working every time you turn it on without having a lot of problems. Now, some of the things are basic that I'm going to tell you. If you have a desktop, every once in a while you have to unplug it, open up the side, and take a vacuum and clean the dust off of everything inside of it. That'll keep it from running really hot, and it'll last longer. Make sure it's unplugged when you do that. And every once in a while do that. Take all the dust out with a vacuum. It's safe to do. If you're on a laptop computer, make sure your laptop isn't running very hot. Feel the bottom of it from time to time. Make sure the power cord is not getting really hot. And also, make sure the vent is clear and your fans are running on your laptop, which is very important. There's a fan inside of every laptop that will cool it down when it gets hot. And if that fan's not running, you could eventually kill your laptop. So make sure that's running. And it's very simple, just listen for it to come on. And if there's a vent underneath it, clear the dust off the vent. If there's a vent on the side, clear the dust off the side so the air can circulate outside of your laptop. Very important. If your laptop's fan is working and it's still running hot, you can go to Walmart or Best Buy and buy a little pad that goes underneath the laptop, has fans on it, and it will keep it cool while you're using it. Very inexpensive. Look into that. If your laptop cord is getting very hot, you can go online and you can replace it. Very inexpensive. If your battery is not charging, you can buy a replacement battery online. Just go to eBay or Amazon and type in the model number of your laptop, and then after that, write replacement battery. Next, we'll talk about software on your laptop. Okay? Everybody today's got Windows 10 on their laptop or desktop. So we're going to talk about that a little bit. Now, if your laptop or desktop take a long time to start, you probably have a lot of things running in the background without you even knowing it. And those programs that are running are using your memory. So what you want to do is you want to go into the computer and you want to take those things off from starting up, and you want to clean a lot of the temporary stuff that's on your computer that can also slow it down. Now there's a couple ways to do this. One way is you right click on the start button on your computer, and then you left click where it says run. A little run box will come up and you type in small letters temp, T-E-M-P, hit OK, and click the next button that comes up to show all your temp files. And then when it comes up, you can delete all those files. Now an easy way to do that is just to highlight one file and hold down Control and A on your keyboard and then hit delete on your keyboard. Then I would close that down, go back to your Start menu on the bottom left hand side, right click it, choose Run, and type in %, temp, %, and then do the same thing. Hit OK, go back to the next window, you might have to click Continue, and then delete all those files also. If they don't all go away and there's a few left, just close it out, don't worry about it. Then for the third time, you're going to go back and do the same thing. This time you're going to type in prefetch, Prefetch, small letters, do the same thing. That'll clean out your cache. Now the second thing you want to do is, on your Google browser, go up to the right hand corner, there's 3 vertical dots, and you want to click on that, hover over to where it says History on the left, click History, go to Browsing History, make sure the drop down says all of them. You don't want to do it from an hour ago or one day, you want to do everything that's there, and then you want to click on where it says Clear Browsing History. If you have a lot of history, it might take a while, just be patient and do them one at a time. That'll take care of that. Now to get the programs off of the startup menu, what you need to do is go down to the toolbar on the bottom of your screen, right click an empty area in your toolbar, and click where it says Task Manager. Then another box will come up, go to the Startup, on the top, Startup tab, and then everything that's in there that says Enabled, I want you to disable everything. So disable everything in there, but just by right clicking it and click disable on everything that's listed in there. Then restart your computer and it should run a lot better. There's also a few programs that I recommend you getting. They're all free. One is called CCleaner and one is called Super Anti-Spyware Remover. Get those programs and use them, and that will run them every couple weeks, and that will help clean your computer also. So I hope you get some benefits out of this video. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.